Do subscribe my channel MN Afridi Motovlogs and press the bell icon to never miss any update.
Hello YouTube and welcome to yet another video. So today I'll be riding to a place known as the Dassam Waterfalls. It is not too far from our homes. It's almost I think 40 kilometers or less than 40 kilometers. So it's one of the most beautiful falls of Jharkhand. We have a lot of falls over here, but this is known as the most beautiful fall of Jharkhand. But yes, with the most beautiful name, it has the tagline of the most dangerous falls too of Jharkhand. So right now I am going to the meeting point. The meeting point is almost 5 kilometers from my home. So once I get there, I'll get back to you.
Okay, so I'm at the meeting point. This was the meeting point, the Amravati complex. But yet, as you can see, there is only my bike. None of them have come. The time is 6 o'clock and देखते हैं और कितनी लेट होती है.
Okay, so just leaving from here. Right in front of me, it's SK Bhai. The another rider is waiting ahead on the way. So we'll pick him up there. Good morning, Afridi. Okay, so stopped here for fueling up, and I have enough fuel in my bike, but SK Bhai has to get his fuel, and I think Abhishek also. He's a new rider today. His name is Abhishek, and as usual SK Bhai and me. So today only 3 riders, not a big group today. So officially started our ride now, and I'm leading. Behind me is SK Bhai and behind him is Abhishek.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
The road on my right is under maintenance, so all the traffic is on this lane. So we have to be careful, because anytime a bus, like you can see this, anytime a truck or a bus could just leap inside. So we have to be a bit careful. I can see a lot of black clouds, but I just pray that it does not rain.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
The problem is that we came 8 kilometers ahead from the place we have to turn. So what we have decided that we'll have our breakfast over here, and then we'll make a turn to that point, and from there we'll go to the Dassam Waterfalls. So the name of this restaurant is Picnic Restaurant. Here our bikes are parked. My trigger, SK Bhai's Phaser, and Abhishek Bhai's FC. Yeah, so having our breakfast, anda bhaji bolte hain. Anda bhuji and paneer, roti. That's all. Yeah, so just reached Surya Mandir. We'll go on the top and cover some, because I have never been here. So Abhishek Bhai is telling that the structure are very nice over here. So we'll just go and capture something, and then we'll come back. Yeah, so now we have to take our diversion. This route will take us to the Dassam Falls.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Kuti Tamara Road.
This turn will take us to the Dassam Waterfalls.
Continue on Kuti.
Dassam Falls 10 kilometers.
Continue on Kuti Tamara Road for 3 kilometers.
अरे हाँ Google आंटी.
Continue for 6 kilometers.
ये रूट है. हाँ. हम लास्ट टाइम गए इधर ही से गए, जीपीएस भी इधर ही बता रहा है.
You have arrived.
I have arrived.
So reached the Dassam Waterfalls. SK Bhai, Abhishek Bhai, and can you hear the noise of the falling water? Just first listen to the noise of the water. Looks amazing. And now have a look at the fall. Isn't this amazing? So right now we'll go down. We have the staircase over here. I may not be vlogging down. Video bana raha hu. I may not be vlogging down because the splashes of the water are coming in here, and obviously नीचे तो ज़्यादा ही होते हैं. अगर नहीं होते तो I'll be vlogging. Otherwise I may be using my action camera. But action camera में ये प्रॉब्लम है कि केसिंग के अंदर डालने के बाद the voice is not very clear. या देखता हूँ जैसा होता है. And SK Bhai not missing a single shot. And then we have Abhishek Bhai. Again we are riding with him for the first time and he's an excellent rider. He has done a lot of mine. मेरे से ज़्यादा राइड कर चुके हैं तो ऑब्वियसली समझ सकते हैं.
सोलो राइडर अभी तक अकेले राइड कर रहे थे, ग्रुप राइड का मजा लेंगे.
मेरे ब्लॉग को भी
प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल ऑल्सो.
यस चल रहे हैं.
आप देख रहे हैं कितना मेहनत कर रहे हैं यूट्यूब चैनल के लिए, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल भी.
And my viewers do check out his channel.
थोड़ा बहुत मेरा भी सब्सक्राइब कर दो.
Can you see these splashes over here? This is just hitting the camera. Yeah, so just heading down and the splashes of water is really terrible. I'm scared that does not go inside my camera. So थोड़ा सा लूँगा फुटेज और उसके बाद बंद कर दूँगा. We'll see how taking you है. अच्छे भाई. इतना है बस हल्का फुल्का पानी है तो उसको साफ कर दिया. जान में जाना ही वरना मेरी तो बैठ रही है. Because of the water, the ground is very slippery. तो अभी घूम कर ब्लॉग नहीं करूँगा, एक ही जगह पर खड़ा होकर करूँगा, वरना कैमरा में देखूँगा और इधर कैमरा की लग जाएगी. Other side of the fall on the top and again the view is amazing. We took another route and came to the top. It was around 15 kilometers, so we went up and then took our bike and then we came here. So we were down somewhere over there. Yeah, we were somewhere over there, but it's not visible because of the splashes of water.
Okay guys, so time to head back home and अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करके जाना, बुरा लगा तो डिसलाइक भी करके जाना, बट कुछ अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर देना. बिकॉज बोलना तो नहीं चाहिए बट yes, it takes a lot of effort for a single video. So that was all about it, and ride safe, wear your helmets, take care and goodbye.